The world's oceans cover more than 70% of our planet's surface. They hold countless secrets, amazing creatures, and even answers to questions we haven't asked yet. But not everything you know about the ocean is true. Today, I'll share with you 15 mind-blowing facts about the ocean that they don't teach you in school. Ready? Buckle up, we're diving deep. Fact 1, we've explored less than 10% of the ocean. Yep, humanity knows more about the surface of Mars than the depths of our own planet. Over 90% of the ocean is completely unexplored. Just imagine how many species and landscapes we haven't even discovered yet. Fact 2, deep-sea creatures look like monsters. Down in the darkness, where no sunlight reaches, live creatures that seem straight out of a horror movie, like the anglerfish with its glowing lure, the glass octopus that's nearly invisible, and even prehistoric-looking sharks. Fact 3, ocean water can be hotter than boiling, and not boil. At hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, water can reach over 400 degrees Celsius, 750 degrees Fahrenheit. But because of the immense pressure at those depths, the water doesn't boil, it stays liquid. Fact 4, there are black holes in the ocean. Not outer space black holes, oceanic ones. Massive whirlpools, called eddies, trap water, debris, and even marine life, spinning for hundreds of kilometers and holding everything inside. Fact 5, the ocean controls our weather and climate. Without the ocean, we wouldn't have rain, snow, or seasons as we know them. The Gulf Stream, for example, keeps Europe warm. Without it, London would have a climate more like Siberia. Fact 6, underwater mountains and volcanoes are real. The ocean floor isn't flat, it's filled with mountain ranges, volcanoes, and valleys. The world's longest mountain range, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, is hidden beneath the sea. Fact 7, some ocean bacteria eat oil. There are microbes that can break down oil and even methane. They've been used in oil spill cleanups. Nature has its own ways of healing, and we're just learning to use them. Fact 8, there's a spacecraft graveyard in the Pacific. Point Nemo is the most remote place from any human population. It's where space agencies crash old satellites and spacecraft. Over 260 pieces of space junk lie there. Fact 9, whales have their own languages and dialects. Different groups of whales use different songs to communicate, kind of like accents or even full-on cultures. They even teach new melodies to each other across generations. Fact 10, it's not just jellyfish that glow. Bioluminescence is widespread in the ocean. Fish, squids, plankton, even bacteria can glow. There are beaches where the waves literally light up blue at night. Pure ocean magic. Fact 11, the internet travels through the ocean. 95% of all global internet traffic goes through underwater fiber optic cables, not satellites. These cables stretch for thousands of miles and connect entire continents. Fact 12, there's an ocean beneath Antarctica's ice. Lake Vostok is a giant subglacial lake hidden under several kilometers of ice. It might contain life forms we've never seen, and could be a model for discovering life on other planets. The ocean isn't just a giant pool of water. It's a living organism, a mystery, a force of nature, and our future depends on it. If you learned something new today, leave a like, hit subscribe, and share this with your friends. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. See you in the next deep dive.